Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
By God's grace, I'm fine.
How was the traffic?
Oh, because according to what we decided on yesterday, we left off early, so we didn't encounter any traffic congestion. It was smooth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, can you introduce yourself, your organization, your role, and what it entails?
Okay. So, my name is Engineer Andrew Wartenberg.
Wartenberg.
Wartenberg, yeah. I work at the Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority, Accra specific.
Okay.
I'm a senior mechanical engineer at the facility of mechanical engineering workshop.
Okay.
Yeah. So my job role is to ensure, supervise, request spare parts for the maintenance, repairs, and servicing of our vehicles at the mechanical workshop in Tokradi.
Okay.
Yes.
So, mechanical engineer. Before the training, what was your idea or ideas about electric vehicles?
Okay.
And how it will impact your operations?
Of course, yeah. Well, before I came here, all along, I thought we are all aware that EVs, their source of energy is battery, right? So all along, I was of the view that the energy source, the battery voltage should be around maybe 12 or 48. As a matter of fact, I never knew until our encounter here that the battery source is about 400 to 800 voltage. Yeah. And more so, I read a little bit about UVs. I read a little bit about UV before I came here, and my understanding was that in overseas they were using solar panels on the top of the buses, and also others they are using rollers with power lines ahead where they get their energy source. But I never knew that you should have multiple of battery in either in series or whatever to get that much, that is 400
Sufficient
energy to drive or to propel the distance. So my presence here has more or less enlightened me how the energy source for EVs, more especially for our vehicles, whatever, gets their power from. Yeah.
So the things you have learned, can you see immediate ways you can apply them to your role and improve your operations?
Absolutely, because I've acquired more or less sufficient knowledge during my encounter here that when I'm gone I'm gone to Tokradi, and especially GPHA by using vehicles, with this knowledge that I've acquired, I'll be able to maintain the vehicles that you may buy in the future, EVs, yeah.
So the knowledge was practical?
Of course, yes.
Relevant?
Very, very practical. In terms of the maintenance, for example, we were told that because of the high energy source, and as a matter of you not being electrocuted or whatever, you have to switch off the isolators if there's any problem on the EVs so that you may not get electrocuted, so that you can work effectively. These are all safety mechanisms that without my presence here, I would never have known. You understand? But now that I'm aware of that, I can be able to maybe maintain, repair EVs when we have in our transport pool.
Okay. So will you recommend this training to other mechanical engineers like you?
Of course, yes. Because whether you like it or not, going forward, EVs are going to be the mobility facility organizations may need, because we are talking of reduction in cost by way of maintenance and running, especially petrol whatsoever. So going forward, that will be the ultimate. So if that will be the ultimate, then the maintenance personnel should acquire enough knowledge so that when it is brought to them by way of fault or whatever, they can be able to maintain and repair. So more or less, this is just as a trainer of trainees. I will also send the good news to my colleagues there and also recommend to management that more people should be brought on board by way of knowledge acquisition, so that in case when we buy the EVs, they can be able to maintain and repair.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We look forward to what you do in the space.
Right away. Thank you too.